A serene garden features a wooden dining set for 6 by a quiet pond. Near the house, lush greenery and lounge chairs create a tranquil retreat filled with colorful, blooming flowers. From a light brown wooden deck, enjoy a panoramic garden view featuring a red maple and palm tree. A small dining set sits near a stone wall, offering a peaceful, elevated perspective. This shaded patio features a wooden pergola over gray couches with green accents. Surrounded by a white-flowered tree and a wooden fence, the stone pavers offer a cozy outdoor nook. Wicker sofas flank a glass table with yellow flowers on the stone patio. A brick wall and small fountain sit before a white house, all bathed in soft, inviting, natural sunlight. A shaded patio offers a wooden table and a cushioned bench on a lush lawn. With a black lantern and white columns, this natural space is perfect for a quiet coffee in the garden. Modern wicker furniture and yellow flowers decorate this gray stone patio. Surrounded by lush greenery and a small palm, it sits peacefully against a sleek white apartment block. 6 chairs surround a wooden table topped with white hydrangeas. Framed by a rose bush and a neat hedge, this tiled patio creates a vibrant, inviting space against a brick wall. A blue sofa and ottoman rest on a beige rug, centered around a glass table. A stone path leads toward a dark gazebo, nestled within a lush, green, and flower-filled backyard area. White hydrangeas lead the eye toward a small pond and waterfall. A winding path cuts through colorful blooms toward a charming pink house with a white roof and a cozy front porch. This wooden deck features a dining set and a plush white sofa. A striking yellow tree and white planters with purple flowers frame the space, creating a stylish backyard retreat. A peaceful Japanese garden showcases a wooden deck under a pergola. A red maple overlooks a stone-lined pond and waterfall, creating a harmonious, light-filled sanctuary of nature. A beige umbrella shades a wooden table and sofa on this vibrant patio. Pink flowers and a lattice brick wall border the lush lawn, making for a colorful and inviting outdoor area. Wicker furniture sits on lush artificial turf within a fenced patio. Potted plants add a natural touch, while a stone walkway leads toward a refreshing pool and a sleek metal gate. A vine-covered pergola serves as the heart of this garden. Near a small pond and waterfall, a wooden bench invites rest, all set against a white house and colorful floral borders. Lily pads float in a peaceful pond as a waterfall splashes over rocks. Nearby, a pergola shades a deck with a dining set, all nestled within a private, fenced, and lush backyard.